Good morning, Ma'am Go. My name is Rijan Orial from PNPC TV. Let's start with your name and your age.
My name is Irene Grace Vanzala and I am 30 years old.
What is your business company name?
I am working with Faldaver.
And what is business company address?
They are located in Cebu City.
And number of years in business?
I don't know how long they're operating, but I am working within 8 months already.
And what preparation did you make before you engage in this type of business or job?
So I did not do any like a lot of preparation because I've been with a customer facing environment before or working environment before. So what I did is I enhanced my communication skills.
And what special skills and characteristics do you have that are related to your business or job?
So my the skills that I have or I am using within the job is I am enabled to use the computer and also my communication skills with how I am conversating with my customers.
And how did you solve business-related problems during the early years of our business operation?
So during the business operations, we really have to be equipped with how to use the computer and how to manage your time within conversating with your customers, and that you'll have to be very patient because as a call center agent, we are communicating with international people or from the US, so we really have to speak the English language, and that we really have to know how to communicate with the customers efficiently.
Or ma'am?